How to clear cache and cookies on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. If you have switched your Facebook account to Facebook page, simply tap three-line icon at top right. Now tap the arrow button at top right corner and select your Facebook account, then log into your account. After a while, tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Now once you get access to the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down and locate Preferences section. Under that, select Browser. Then at the top, you will find cookies and cache under browsing activity. So with one tap, you can easily clear cache and cookies on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.